Nice, babe.
Nice.
Good work.
Can you hit a cone? Can you hit one of these cones with the ball?
Yeah, look at this ball. I guess there was only... Oh, here it is.
Trying to dribble that one, hon?
Yeah, I mean, just so he... Good. Over here. Come on. Give it a hit. That's it. So this is called Bombs Away. Ready for Bombs Away? Go hit it. Go hit it. Go, go, go. Try again. Yeah, use two hands. Let me do Bombs Away for you.
Oh, he wants to do it for you.
Good try. Yes, you're getting it. Yeah, good try. Watch your turn.
Can you hit the cones down?
Come over here. Give it a hit. Right over here. Go give it a hit. Oh,
Backhand.
Whoops. Come on back. That's it. You did it. Oh, give it another hit. Yes! Take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back here. Okay, give it another hit. Whoa!
Nice.
That was good. Let's do another one. Take it back. Can Grandpa have a turn? Watch me. Watch me. Stand back. No. Okay, watch. Watch Grandpa. Watch Grandpa. Boom! Yeah! Your turn. This time I'll let you knock them all down. Go! Give it a blast. That's it. Wow!
Nice.
Here, I'll hit it back to you. Okay, go back further. Back up. Back. There. Okay, ready? Give it a hit. Right here. Right here. Wow!
Nice,
Okay,
bud.
here's another one to you. Whoops, go get it. Woo! Almost again.
Woo!
Another. Whoops. Go get it. Give it a hit. Oh, wait, the wind's blowing. Go back again. Go back again. Ready? That's it. Give it a hit. Quick. Yeah!
Oh.
Let me put some more up. Oh, I knocked it down with my racket. Okay, ready? Ready? You want to go back there?
Oh, he wants to do the volleys.
Oh, you want to do those? Okay, go on the other side of the net. Go to the other side of the net. Look at that little rear end going back and forth. Okay, you got it. You know your drills. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Come a little closer. Ready? Good. Here we go again. Ready? Yes.
Good job.
Oh, went over your head.
Over the head.
For Grandpa. You can hit it to me. Nice job. Come on up. Come on up. Here we go. And hit. Whoa. Again.
Nice.
And hit. Whoa. Good again. 2 in a row. 3. Almost. Grandpa did it. Get it. That's a way. That's a hustle. Good hustle. Want to come over here and play with Grandpa? Okay, let's do this again. A few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're so good. Getting tired? 7, 8, 9.
Resting his hand on the net.
Yes, good. Give me 5. Okay.
All right.